So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a coolant temperature sensor on any Honda D-Series engine. So, right in here, if it'll focus, there we go. Right there, it should be the coolant temperature sensor. Basically, just unclip it. Then, actually, I'm going to make sure it's the same size as, no. Okay, so what you need is a 3/4 deep socket and a ratchet, or could use a wrench as well. Basically, you just got to break it loose, and it should be hand tight. The coolant should be drained out of this, so it shouldn't make a mess already. Oh yeah, see? Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, see? Focus. It's not the cleanest. Then we got the new SPK. That should fit right in there. Because I'm twisting it the wrong way. The new SPK one, whatever. It should fit right in here. Perfect. Now this one is different. It's a different size. It's a little bit bigger. So I need a 7/8 to put you on. Not too tight, but not too loose. And just plug it back in. And there you go. You're good to go. And also, if you're going to do the coolant sender, the sender is right there, which I will do that at some point, just not right now. But yeah, that is how you replace the coolant temperature sensor.